Your Holiness, the particular geographical location of Cyprus makes it the crossroad of Asia, Africa, and Europe, and a meeting place for various cultures and religious heritages.
This is Sister Perpetua Nien Nien Lu.
By the presence of the apostles Barnabas and Paul, their spirit of zeal continues to be transmitted through our efforts to bear witness to God's compassion for all his people. The 4 female institutes of consecrated life present here in Cyprus: Franciscan missionaries of the Sacred Heart, Sisters of St. Joseph of the Apparition, Sri Lankan Sisters of Perpetual Help, and Antonite Maronite Sisters, are currently engaged in a number of pastoral, educational, and charitable apostolates on the island. Much of our work consists in defending the basic human rights of those in need and of migrant workers, who frequently must bear the burden of disproportionate debts, as well as harsh and unfair treatment, including unpaid wages, excessively long working hours, verbal and physical abuse, and other forms of discrimination. All too often, such injustice give rise to poor mental or physical health, which hamper people's ability to achieve their dreams of a better and more prosperous future for themselves and their children. In this context, we endeavor to restore human dignity by providing shelter and food, legalizing workers' situations, and helping them find potential employment and financial relief. Another vital work concerns the education of generations. We want to create a society that is more humane and more respectful of cultural and racial differences because of the religious ethics instilled in young people, who can transmit the values of the gospel after putting them into practice in their own lives. Our future will be all the more vibrant. In our mission, the establishment of dignified care centers for the elderly, who are very vulnerable due to current social conditions, and the expanse of healthcare has been extremely important. At the same time, our congregations continue to show the compassion of Christ towards all who are sick, suffering, and excluded. The religious of the island also work in close contact with their parishes, providing many pastoral services that assist them in carrying out the celebration of the Eucharist, sacramental preparation, and the transmission of the church teaching. All this contributes to the formation of mature and responsible parishioners who will continue to live the gospel and in turn build up the other members of the church and society. Our efforts are inspired by Your Holiness' pastoral vision of going to the peripheries. Despite obstacles and difficulties, with the help of divine providence, we continue the Lord's work of spreading the gospel and making God's word, planted by the apostle Barnabas and Paul, fruitful and vibrant in Cyprus today.
That was Sister Perpetua Nien Nien Lu, sister of St. Joseph of the Apparition. She greets the Holy Father.